Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Situation is basically unchanged. The only small change that we have here, but it's actually not a change because the wave count hasn't changed. The only thing that happened here was this decline that happened today, which made a new low. And at the moment, I would count this as a low B wave. Yeah, in the previous videos, we talked about that we had a pretty full wave 1 or a pretty full 5-wave move down of this B wave high, which was made at around $94 in a triangle. So obviously we're looking at this, for anybody who needs a bit of context, we're looking at this currently as a larger wave 2 correction, give it the possibility to retrace quite a bit if it needs to, all the way down to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement at $56. Now, but that is basically the maximum for the bullish scenario. Below 56, I haven't got anything bullish left on this chart. Then we've got next levels to watch are $78 and $69. In this wave 2, we have an A wave, a B wave complete, and the C wave is now unfolding in 5 waves. And this would be the primary scenario. In an alternative, we could call that a WXY structure, but then the low would be in after the next low here, instead of making another wave 4 and 5. But first of all, we need to pay attention to the lower time frame and lower wave degree, and we're looking at the move down as wave 1. The move to the upside is something that should happen, really. At least I'm watching for it. And if it goes any higher, I would consider that a wave 2 correction. And we have resistance all the way up to 91.58, which means that only if it gets above that level and if we have a sustained break above 91.58, I would consider something different. Until then, the rally can be a wave 2 correction. Now, maybe this is a bit too far away. So depending on what we're doing, because of the overshooting B wave to the downside, it might actually be enough for it to retrace to and touch the 38.2 Fib level at 85.92. So I would pay attention to these Fibonacci levels. If price gets above the Friday the 4th of August high, so if it gets above $84, I think we have a resistance that starts here at 86, then 87.50, 89 and 91, and any reaction there to the downside could cause a third wave breakdown. Now we can also add the Fibonacci extensions. If I take the length, or if I measure the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, then to be honest, the C wave could be very short. I mean, not short really, but overall for a wave 2, very short. But we'll see how that develops. The reason is the A wave was so low. The B wave was overshooting to the downside. In an extreme case, in these flat structures, you can say that this C wave can reach the 2.618 extension level. That would be here 88. I wouldn't really assume it will go any higher because it would be a very, very unnaturally long C wave. So I think theoretical maximum for me for this wave 2 would be 88, roughly 88.20. Yeah, so watching currently for a potential small corrective rally, but only small, and so far it hasn't given us any indication that it's starting. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.